I'm back in Drysdale in Victoria at David and Sandi, Simon's property. It's all a bit too rural for me, so should we go inside? This kitchen was nothing short of an eyesore, but now it's positively palatial with luxury new cabinetry, stone bench tops and appliances. Everything about this living room screamed Western saloon, but check out the smart new timber flooring, lavish window treatments and very sleek styling. Every cowboy and cowgirl needs a swanky master bedroom, and they have it. Pleased to see the view to the living room has gone, and look at this walk-in robe. Now we're talking. This shabby-looking patio combined with views of shipping containers had to go. This tidy up with smarter styling and some new planting would even put a smile on Clint Eastwood's dial. What a difference. The team have clearly worked really hard on this one. There's been no horseying around. This is now the perfect home for an equestrian family.